More Customers app provides you two payment gateway integrations. One is InstaMojo and the other one is Razorpay. Earlier we have seen that we are already having two payment options, which is cash on delivery and manual payments option. But if we want that online payment options, we will go to the plugins and apps section. From there we will go to payment gateway section. Now here you can see I am having two options, which is InstaMojo and Razorpay. First we will check for InstaMojo how to integrate it. Any of the one can be integrated onto your website, so we will click here. Here you will see the button of activate, so I'll just activate it. Okay, now let's see the steps, what steps we have to follow for the activation of account. Here, as after activating it, what we need to do is we need to open our InstaMojo payment gateway account. Okay, we will go to on this link, we will create an account over there, we will do all the KYC procedure over there, and after that, once all the process has been over, you need to go to the API and plugins section in the menu on InstaMojo. From there you need to create the credentials, which is the client ID and secret. From here you need to copy both the things, and after activation here you can see the field of client ID and client secret. You need to pay those keys from InstaMojo and you need to save here. Once it is saved, the InstaMojo will be added to your account, and here you can see we have already given you the way how you have to follow it. You need to add the client ID, the client secret, and then you need to save it. Same way what we will do for Razorpay is, again we'll go back. If we want Razorpay to be integrated onto our website, we will just click over here. Before activation we will do all the processes on Razorpay. Let's say we will create an account over there, the KYC processes, everything has to be done, and until unless your account is in live mode, you cannot link it onto your website, otherwise your payments won't be settled to your account. So what you need to do is you need to always check after opening the account that the account is in live mode or it is in test mode, because once you create the account it goes into the test mode, but after KYC submission, after KYC approval and everything, your account gets into live mode. After getting the account into the live mode, we have to mention that go to the settings, and we have to again take the API keys from there. We have to click on API keys, and there we need to generate the test key. Once we generate the key from there, we will get the key ID and secret, and we have to copy both the things from there, and we have to activate our account from our web admin panel, and we will paste both key ID and key secret over here. So this is the way how we can set up the Razorpay also. So let's see, right now on my site you can see I am having only two options, which is cash on delivery and manual payment method. But in case I have added any of the two options, let's say Razorpay or InstaMojo, so on my cart page, once I'll refresh this account, this is my another site where I have added InstaMojo account. I'll just show you how the interface is. Now here I am placing the order. This is the checkout page. Here you can see. Now here I am having three options. So one was cash on delivery, one was manual payment. Now if I am adding any of the one, which is InstaMojo or Razorpay, I'll get an option, one more option called online payments. Here you can see I have integrated InstaMojo. If I would have integrated Razorpay, then it will show Razorpay here. Okay, so if you want to make online payments, we will have to click here. Here you can see it is asking you to paying to this so and so company. The purpose of payment is shopping from the website, which is the Abhushan. Okay, now here you can see the amount, the convenience fee. If you want to take the convenience fee from your customers, that all settings are mentioned in the payment gateway options. Okay, here the customer can scan and pay. Okay, he can pay through Bheem, through UPI, through Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, or else he can enter the UPI ID over here. We are having more payment options over here, which says scan UPI, QR and pay, or else they can go for credit card, debit card, net banking, wallets, and pay later. So this was how the payment gateway integration works and how the customer can pay through the website after the integration of payment gateway. So basically we are having InstaMojo and Razorpay. You can choose any one of them and you can accordingly integrate onto your website after creating accounts on the respective payment gateways.